Hey guys, it's Kaushal, and today I'm gonna present my pavilion design for advanced presentation techniques. So, my concept and inspiration behind this project is driven by one clear idea. I started with one enlarged hexagon model. I break it into triangles and then I repeat it into a field that I lift and relax it into a canopy form. As you can see here, like this is a basic pattern, right? So at first the beginning step is to create this pattern over here. As we can see in the wireframe view, like there are each nodes placed at each side of the hexagon, and at the middle, this is the midpoint of the hexagon where I connect each point. So it might look at like a two-dimensional thing over here, but this point is on the elevation. Uh, I'm just gonna switch it to 3D view because it's easy for you guys to just see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this is what I meant. See, so yeah, after you place the point over here, this is on an offset of 400, I believe. Yeah, there you go. Then after that, you just connect each point with a reference line to the reference point at the elevation over here from each side of the hexagon. Yep. And after you're done with that, in order for you to get the get the hollow finish over here, like so this is the wooden finish that the hollow look over here. You just make a circle at a reference point over here and just go to create form and go to solid forms over here. Yeah, and choose this and just extend it. See, like this. This is how literally how I came up with the form, right? Okay, that's how you make the form. So after you're done with that, you select each each form created, and you you select each form created and give it a and just assign it to a material. So for me, made it. I gave it a wooden theme over here, as you can see. I made it. Made it like a wood. Just you just need to choose the material. So after you choose the material, and you think it's suitable for your design to move further ahead, you just load into a new project. Here I've named it assignment for pavilion final. So the purpose for you to do this is you have a structure, basic structure over here, like the foundation structure for your pavilion. Now you're gonna make the you're gonna place this on the template, right? So for me, one second. Yeah, this is the template that I created, right? So first, let me just get rid of everything over here. So at first, it's not gonna look like this. So it's gonna be something simple like this, right? So you're gonna have four reference points over here, and you draw, and you draw a triangle, you draw a square over here, and what you do is then with the help of reference lines and reference points, you come up with the desired shape you like, right? And for me, what I did over here was I used uh, spline on each nodes to now I can create it, but yeah, I use spline to create this sort of look over here. Yeah, for everything I use spline over here because it's easier for me to you know just give it into this C type form over here. That was like really, so for my design that was the best thing that I could do, so I just use that. But yeah, you can get creative with it and use other things too. So after you complete with your surface, like the piece where your your pattern is gonna sit on, now what you need to do is you need to divide it into different surfaces over here. So in order for that, what I just select your uh, template, select your base, and just go on your surface, click on the surface, and it's gonna divide it. Uh, what's best for you? Divide it in terms of your base over here, and after that, you just go to the drop down menu over here, and you can see different things over here, and you can even choose hexagons, you can choose arrows and different things over here, right? But for me, like I have the family that I created, so yeah, I'll just choose that and see, boom, you have the pavilion ready over here. That's it, guys. That's easy as it sounds. And after that, I place everything on a new Revit file, new Revit construction file, and turned it into a presentation. So this presentation is uh, done in Google, done in Sheets in Revit. So I just placed all the things over here and aligned it, and these are the elevations and the section views, and this is the 3D view. And yeah, see, and this is how I finished my presentation. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks so much.